Okay, this says a swimming pool is similar in shape to a volleyball court. Find the perimeter P in the area of the pool. Well, the rectangular pool and the court are similar, so use the ratio of corresponding side lengths to write in solid proportions to find the perimeter and the area of the pool. So the perimeter of the court is going to be over the perimeter of the pool with the width of the court over the width of the pool. So if you take a look, the perimeter of the court is 60 yards, and we don't know the perimeter of the pool, so we have the P, but we do know the width of the court is 10 and the width of the pool is 18. Realizing that these are not placed in the same dimensions, you'd want to flip this to have it be similar. So this is actually corresponding to this because you should have this drawn this way instead. Okay, so if that makes sense, how you set that up, you have to be very careful when the pictures are not drawn side by side with corresponding sides next to each other. You have to figure that out. So your 10 is to your 18, as your perimeter of the court is 60 to we don't know the perimeter of the pool. So then it's 10p it's equal to 60 times 18, which is 1080. Dividing by 10 makes it 108, and so that would be yards, I believe, is perimeter. Then when you do the area, you're doing the exact same thing. So you're doing the area of the court and the area of the pool. The area of the court is 200, but it's yards squared over the area of the pool. We don't know. And then because it's area, we're going to take the 10 to the 18, but quantity squared, which I think they would probably reduce. They did not this time. They could have reduced it, but they didn't. So they have 100, and then 18 times 18 is 324. Then, of course, you can do 200 times 324, which is this, and then 108. Now you're going to divide by 100, so it's going to be 648. So the perimeter of the pool is 108 yards, and the area is 648 square yards. So make sure you realize the difference between when you're going to square it and when you're not. When you're doing area, you're going to square it. When you're doing perimeter, it's just the numbers. But making sure also to line it up corresponding sides. If you think you understand this one, you can click Next to try one on your own.